Okay, it's time for board math. Let's get ready to do our cheer. Remember, you guys, shout it out, have fun. We're at home. I want to be able to hear you guys from home. Come on. And with our cheer. B-O-A-R-D. B-O-A-R-D. Board math, board math. Yippee! First up, read along with me. Here we go. What number is it? 20. How do I write a 20? A 2 for the 10 and a 0 for the 1. 20. Read with me. What number comes next? 6, 7, 8. How do I write an 8? Make an S. Don't be late. Close it up to make an 8. Here we go. 30, 40, 50. How do I write a 50? 5 for the 10s, 0 for the 1s, 50. How many do you see? Okay, if they're sort of in lines, you want to follow along with the lines. Don't just skip around. So here we go, starting at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How do I write a 15? 1 for the 10, 5 for the 1s, 15. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? First thing I always ask, are they equal? Yes, they are. What does equal mean? That the things are the same on both sides. 12 equals 12. Number sentences. Okay, let's read it. 5 plus 5 equals. What does plus mean? Put them together. Equals means the same, so we got to put them together and find out what that equals is. The easiest one for this one, we have our 10 fingers. 5 plus 5 equals 10. We can also count on 5 and then count up 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can draw our pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, read it with me. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Another doubles. Read it. 4 plus 4 equals. Lots of ways to do it. The answer is 8. Help me read it. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Another double. 3 plus 3 equals. Doing your mental math, using your fingers, drawings, counting on, equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. How many in the 10 frames? Okay, we have our two 10 frames. First one is full. The second one is not full. We can count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 and 6 is 16. How many more to make 20? Remember, two 10s makes 20. So we have 16. How many more to make 20? 2, 3, 4. Down and across and down some more. That's the way to write a 4. What shape is it? It's a triangle. How do you know? It has 3, 1, 2, 3 corners or vertices. 3 vertices. And 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. It is a triangle. Okay, we're back at the train station again. What shapes do you see? Okay, move that over a little bit. We still have our circle clock. The sign is a rectangle. We can see a triangle in the roof. We can see a triangle in the bench. We can see another triangle here in the door. Actually, that was a rectangle. I think I said triangle. Whoops. What else can we see? Squares in the bricks. I think these look like rectangles and chimneys, 2 of them, but together they look like a square. And if there's a triangle here, why can't there be a triangle here? Okay, it's time for our word problem. We're going to listen to it, then we're going to find the important information. Fix this name here for my friend Antoinette. Here we go. Antoinette has 2 flowers. Delilah has 4 flowers. The girls picked the flowers together. How many flowers do they have in all? Okay, I know a lot of you have already done your mental math, and that's great. But let's go back and get that important information, make sure we get it right. Antoinette has 2 flowers. What's important? 2 flowers. Delilah has 4 flowers. What's important? 4 flowers. The girls picked the flowers together. What's important? Not really needing anything here. That word together is an important math word, but it's not working in this sentence for our question. Okay, let's ask our question now. How many flowers do they have in all? What's important? The question is how many flowers do they have? And in all is going to be our keywords, again, used for addition. So what are we going to do? We're not doing our mental math. We're going to do our pictures. We got Antoinette here. She has 2 flowers. 1, 2. Look a little better. Delilah has 4 flowers. So here we got Delilah. We got 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the girls picked the flowers together. Doesn't matter. How many flowers do they have in all? In all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because 2 from Antoinette plus 4 from Delilah equals 6. 6 what? Flowers. Make sure we get that on there, okay? Gotta label it. Does it make sense? Yeah, remember, if it doesn't make sense, we need to go back and work through it again. Okay, we finished up another board math. Great job. Hey, King, back there, were you really paying attention? I didn't hear you and everything. Make sure you're working. Have some fun, guys. Just joking around. Bye.